Do you want to talk about some of your partners, the
Sure,
role they're playing?
sure. We have a variety of partners and a variety of different aspects of our business. Basically, we have three areas that we concentrate on. First are the equipment manufacturers. We are virtually device agnostic, so our software will operate on a variety of devices, from an interactive pager to a WAP-enabled phone to a Java-capable phone, all the way up to full-blown mobile dispatch terminals with card swipe and GPS. So that allows customers to grow and migrate based on the functionality they need at that time.
How important is it for companies to really get a handle on their mobile units? In the field.
Well, control is the key. And a lot of people say out of mind, out of sight, out of mind. You can't control what you can't see. This gives business owners a lot more control over their assets. So that allows them to manage their entire workforce as opposed to the workforce that's just sitting in front of them.
Is there anything else that you think is important to mention about what you're doing, or this technology, or
Sure. There are two key aspects to our technology. The first is that we are, as I said before, virtually device agnostic as well as network agnostic, which means you can run virtually any device on any existing data network. The second thing is that it's accessible by the internet. So using our WASP, Wireless Application Service Provider services, connecting to it with the internet, customers can be up and running in virtually hours, where it used to take 18 months in the past.
I think that's...
Do you want me to talk about partners?
Yes, I do.
Let me start that one over again. We basically work, or we concentrate on three different partner areas. First is the equipment. We like to be able to make sure that our software will operate on a variety of types of equipment. The second partnership relationship we have is in the networks themselves. We make sure that our software will run on networks such as Singular, Motion, IDEN, CDPD, all the nationwide networks that are out there. The third partnership relationship has, and probably the most important for our customers, is that we've developed an XML interface to virtually make it very easy for people to partner or use their existing software. So we've developed partnerships with a lot of software companies out there where our technology becomes an extension or an expansion of existing technology, not competing technology, so that other software providers like to work with DMD because we can make their software better.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right, now let's
enough?
Yeah. And Doug, can you, when we say go, can you just give me a very brief comment about, you know, when users log on to the blah, 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 they can see this, that, and the other thing?
I'm just gonna for me. It says bottom left, second to left.
Oh, sorry, that second to left?
Yeah.
Good?
Yeah.
Great. Can he start speaking?
Sure.
Okay, okay, go for it, Doug.
Users log on to our software using the internet. And once they log on, going through a security procedure, they get a screen that might look like this. As I've said in the past, everything you see here is highly configurable. But basically, you're looking at three types of views. First, you're looking at your jobs in progress, as well as all other job statuses. The second view that you get is your customer list, or your account list. And the third major component are the people that you're dispatching. So here
Okay,
you have,
let's pause for a second, sorry.
Mhm.
Okay, now, Mike, let's go into the yellow.
We have speed.
Okay,
so the first section we'll look at are jobs in progress. This is the primary screen that a dispatcher uses to locate and determine the exact job status of each of his technicians. You get the time that it was created, the job date, the account name, who it's been assigned to, who the user is, what the status of the job, and what the wireless status is. The status of the job is the most important. As you can see, you have accepted, delivered, viewed, en route, and delivered again. Gives you exact status of each job as the technicians go through.
okay, cut for a second, okay. Can we do the green?
And okay.
Once the jobs are completed, we've created a screen called Jobs Completed. That way the technician or the operator can look at, see exactly what work has been done for the day and any comments they received relative to that specific job.
Okay.
Can we do that one more
Yeah,
time?
you know what, we have his comment, so as long as you can do the move
Okay.
now, that's cool. Okay, so this would be for like the person at the headquarters
The dispatcher.
dispatcher.
Mhm.
Okay. So this would be perfect for like a cab company.
Mm-hmm.
And now customer
Well,
list.
Maybe, maybe not.
Now, what I would do is just take a shot of the customer list
customer
and,
list.
and technicians on duty, because
Okay.
those,
Is there any way to just like scroll down through the customer list to highlight the different ones? So we don't have to do a move, we'll just let him do it?
Actually, there's not enough customers in there to do a scroll on.
well, you can just go click, click, click on each one. So click on Big Broadcasting, now click on Business Now.
Oh,
And you
yeah.
go through that way,
Yeah, that's a good idea.
okay?
We're,
So you want to start at the top, Vince?
He's rolling right now.
yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Great.
And then I would
Now
go
the
to technicians on duty.
on duty.
Okay.
And then maybe the map.
I think we'll talk about the map last.
Okay.
Just click those. Then I should probably talk about the map.
Mm-hmm. Can you move the cursor out? Thanks. Alrighty, now we are. Okay, Doug, so go for it.
The final component of our software is automatic vehicle location. We sell that as a portion of our mobile dispatch product as well as a standalone product. By going to the map or going to a driver, you can click on the vehicle, find that vehicle on the map, and it'll automatically zoom in and find out exactly where that vehicle is and give it date and time stamp. So this particular vehicle is traveling it's vehicle number 1 on May 31st at 1:10 p.m. That gives you the exact location of each and every vehicle. Once you have that information, you can run a timesheet and find out where that vehicle has been.
Okay, hang on before we do the timesheet. Let's get to the, clicking on the, what we just did. We were on the map
Yeah.
when you did that clicking thing.
Where do you want me to be? Closer
Um,
up?
Technician.
I don't know.
Go up here.
Clicked up there.
He's gonna write my stuff and menu's gonna pop up.
Right. So right-click on that.
Oh, hang on a second. Okay. Well, let's see what happens after you do that part.
Yeah, there you go. Now undo it again, Vince. Okay, now right-click on it again. Want to move it over a little bit, or?
And then what do you do after this, though? That's what I'm.
Find on map.
Find on that.
Okay, go
Find
for
on
it.
map. Click on it.
Move the cursor out, please. Oh, okay. So that's all it was.
That's all. That's
Okay.
it.
Do you want me to
so-
do it one more time?
Yeah. Let's do it one more time.
Yep, rolling.
Okay, good. And can we just do like a slow pan down and that thing going like this?
Okay.
So we're gonna be doing that again. So let's see.
So click on the vehicle now, Vince. Go to find on map, but don't click on it yet.
Probably start doing the pan now.
Yeah, and then
Go
as soon as
for
you
it.
get now, click on it. Perfect.
Okay, good.
Now you want to run a timesheet?
Yes.
Okay.
I want to get another shot of that, like a different map.
Okay.
Or, I mean, I want more than one. I'm gonna need more than that. Just that one little shot. That's what I'm saying. Maybe vehicle number 2. Can we make up a vehicle number 2 one, or is it in the system?
It's in the system.
Okay.
One second.
So, yes, timesheet. Let's do
Timesheet.
timesheet.
Now, if you want to go back up to that vehicle again. Okay.
Let
You
me
want to
do
start
this.
over again, Mark?
Come right in.
What's that?
Start over again. So you click on that timesheet.
Move the cursor out. Oh, that's fine. Okay.
Oh, do you want to do that and I'll pan over there? I didn't know.
Well, no. You did the clicking on the timesheet, so we can just get this one.
Yeah.
That's fine.
Okay.
Do you want to get it popping up though? Like get rid of
Sure.
it and
So
come-
X, and maybe just do that again.
get rid of it and bring it back if you can.
Yeah, just get rid of that.
Okay.
There you go.
Okay, what's important to see here?
Here you're going to get a history of where the vehicle's been for the day.
Oh, that's the history of where the vehicle's been?
Since
The
8,
left side?
8 o'clock this morning.
Okay, so.
Every 15 minutes it shows you where.
Can we just cut out this?
Yeah.
Good. Well, no, a little bit wider, I think. Oh,
The date.
yeah, that's good. So this is, sorry, this is
It's
the
a timesheet.
time sheet.
I can shrink some of these columns if you want.
Shows where a vehicle's been all day.
For any given period of time.
Okay, oh my goodness, latitude and longitude. Okay, that's good for that one. Now, what's this thing on the right-hand side? Is that the map?
That's a
again?
map of where he was
That's
with
the
a
map.
number. So 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
Okay,
10. So that's
let's-
he's moving around.
I should've put the
Let's
version
just
in
have
there.
this shot right here,
What's that?
without his hands.
Without
We'll
Version
just-
that draws the lines.
We'll do that.
It's done.
Yeah.
So this shows the timesheet along with the corresponding map.
Of where the
picture
vehicle.
Of where he was all
Right.
day. Great. And can you just, now can we go into the yellow part that's like, yeah, that's perfect.
You want one with his hand pointing?
No. Thank you. Okay, good. What else is important to see? Might be nice
Where'd you
to
wanna
do,
see?
to just have some, to be on a wide shot and things, be clicking around and making things happen. Can you do that?
Yeah.
Is this important, Doug?
What's that?
Yeah, I was thinking the same thing for some.
Dispatch information.
Yeah, we can do a history of a job.
So basically, someone's, at the home office, they can pull up all these reports. If someone sends a message, the person in the truck receives the message.
He
and
receives
it
all the job
notifies
information.
them that-
If you go into why don't you open up a job?
This is a job.
Go to the dispatch.
Th-
The dis.
That was a job that.
Yeah, but just go to the dispatch portion of the job.
Oh.
Okay, dispatch. So he knows that he was dispatched, the status of that person is en route. If you go to customer, it's all the customer information for this particular customer. The items that he's supposed to bring with him, in
Just
this
don't
case.
touch the screen, sorry.
Okay. And then the history of that particular job. You know, when it was assigned, when it was delivered, when it was viewed, when it was accepted. Everything about that job is displayed.
Yeah, it's great.
When the job is complete, it moves to the job's completed.
Can we see that, or?
Yep. And now you can select any one of those jobs,
Oh, it says delivered, right.
and it tells you who signed for it.
History, can you click on history? Good. Can you just do me a favor and go dispatch, do the.
Sure.
That thing,
We'll stay in this frame.
yeah.
You might want to go to items.
Great. Let's take a tape pause. Gotten everything that's interesting here.
While she's thinking, can you go back to that stuff that you were just doing?
Yeah. Okay, just do it. Oh, okay.
Okay, now if we go to the yellow slow.
It's okay.
Let's make the map really big. Can we?
Okay, zoom. Don't you want to just blow it up? Oh, it is blown up.
That's what you mean, right?
Yeah.
Good, we got that, good. Can we do a, Mike, can we do a shot that goes from like the 87 number there, kind of like. You know what might be cool too is when we're driving over to go from like a shot of this thing moving to actually like a highway shot,
Mm-hmm.
you know, so we'll have to do that.
And then to the Wakefern truck. Because
Yeah.
Wakefern has all this.
Yeah, perfect. Okay, good.
Especially since you're beyond 87. Or 287. One of the other important things is how configurable the screens are.
Mm-hmm.
So, would you close that out, Mark?
You done?
Yeah, I just want to
Okay.
get different size.
Wait. Can we go back to the map for a second? I just want to. Can you get one more shot where you're panning and you keep panning and you just pan off? But maybe you follow one of the arteries. Maybe if you go from like the bottom, middle, that blue line at the bottom, and go all the way up to where it meets 87. Yeah. Okay. Let's
Do you
take
want
a.
to go the other way to 87?
No. I
You
think,
can also zoom that out
I think.
to get a bigger picture.
Oh, you can?
Yeah.
I think what we should do is do that other.
Then you have more roads.
Okay. All right. Well, then I guess we can do the wide.
A little closer.
No, I think what we should do is the next thing because we really have to go. Let's do the next thing that you were talking about.
Okay. One of the features of our software is that it's highly configurable.
I'm sorry, can we start that again?
What are we going to be seeing?
We're going to see how you make these screens.
Oh, okay.
That's what we're gonna see.
Okay, go for it.
So when you're looking at one of the features of the software is that it's highly configurable. So we can go into any one of these views and edit it. So in this jobs in progress view, what we have chosen to show are the create date, the job date, account name, username, and job status. If we want to add address, we can merely drag the address, address to, and update the screen. And now that information is enclosed in the view.
Okay. We'll just get just do a still of that, and can you just do the same motions that you did?
Yeah.
But you don't have to say anything down.
Okay. Do you want to edit the jobs completed?
Okay, can you go to the website? And we'll get more, more of this when we're at Wake Fern.
And their screens won't look anything like that.
They won't?
Nope, they'll be how they want them to look.
Good, good, okay.
Yeah.
So we're on this one?
You want to go to the website, or
Do you want it bigger than this?
No, well,
this is the, I think she wants to go to mobile, you want to go to our website,
DMD's website or the mobile dispatch?
or how we log on.
oh,
This is how you would log on to what we just saw.
This is what we had behind,
well, let's just do that, okay. We got that, we got that, perfect. So now let's go to the website homepage.
DMD's website.
Right.
Yeah. Oh, so that's how people log on.
Right.
The
mhm.
homepage, okay, good. And now this is your
Oh.
website. Perfect.
so,
No, what's with the blue background?
Oh, it looks purple.
Oh, it's blue on this screen.
Yeah, that's,
That's better.
Yeah, it's not. That's bizarre.
but I don't,
Happens all the time.
should we cut off that right bit?
That's what I'm gonna do. Hold on. Oh, no, that's right. I don't know why it's purple.
We changed the colors, it should be better now.
Yeah, it was.
No,
It was wrong on this screen.
Oh,
Yeah,
oh, it was wrong
yeah,
on your screen.
yeah.
So I don't know why it's got a purple background. Looks awful.
But do you want me, so that should be like
I think we should do that.
right there.
Yeah, that's fine.
That looks a little better.
Can you make it come up again?
Oh, just like click it again.
Perfect. Can we do a close-up on DMD? Can you do home, all that stuff, scroll down? I mean, you don't have to click, but just,
Highlight it.
sorry, let's start from the top again. Just highlight as you go down.
Okay, sure.
Yeah.
You want me to
And
follow
hold on
him?
a second. No, you could stay.
Okay. You want me to get rid of the address at the top?
No, I think that's fine. Okay, great. Do you think we have everything?
I think we have everything for this.
Okay, good. Thank you. Let's take a pause. Let's,
Rolling. Whenever you're ready.
Okay, Kathy, I know you've been working with Woodland Design, and we're about to launch our new campaign. Where are we, and when do you expect us to be ready to start sending out the information?
We have two mail pieces that we're working on right now. I expect that the design is probably going to be done by the end of next week or so. Lists are going to take anywhere from 1 to 2 weeks to get in. So within the next 2 weeks plus, we should be ready to send at least one campaign out. Both of the pieces have a special website that we've put up so that respondents can respond at our website and fill in all their contact information, and that way we can also track the respondents and keep some demographic data on them. So we should see some responses, I would say in the next 3 to 4 weeks should be probably a strong period.
Okay. And Mike,
Yeah.
I'm
Yeah,
sorry.
we have already set up, I believe we already set up the website and the email addresses.
Yes,
They're active right now, so.
Yes, mm-hmm.
You'll be able to use those whenever you're ready.
Yeah, and then we're gonna add some graphics to those sites as well. We'll pick up some of the graphics from the actual mail pieces so that the site will be recognizable to the person when they access it.
And Andrew, everything that we're putting in these campaigns, we already support with our applications. There's no more development we need to do with that.
Actually, yeah, we develop everything what's going to be in there, as well as create department sign off on it. So we're certainly sure that everything's going to run.
Are we tracking statistics on
Well,
what our success rate is with those
That's good,
comments?
was my question to Mark.
You'll
Do we have
know,
unlimited, and is there a way to count without even going through each and every one, say, well, we had 25 responses for this one and 86 responses
yeah,
for that
I
one?
mean, we can pretty much track whatever you wanna track. I mean, if you delete the message, basically, we are setting up an email mailbox for each of these types of things, and then it'll also, they're actually distribution lists, so they'll go out to different people, but we're also gonna be tracking them, so you can, you know, if you wanna, you know, count how many came from here, came from there, we
Any questions? Because people want to know answers right away as to how the system works.
do we want me to research a specific DMD sales 800 number? I mean, it's not expensive to add it, because all it's doing is it's just a number that would map to 1700.
Right, right. And why would we need a new one if we already have one now? Do we already have a new
Well,
one?
I mean, that would be a word, you know,
Oh.
Oh, DMD sales
Sales,
or
yeah.
whatever it is. I mean, I can research. It doesn't cost anything to do a search,
Mhm.
and then if it's available, it's not very expensive.
Okay.
It's a couple bucks a month or something like that to get the
So why don't,
number. So,
why don't we just
other
look
than
into that?
the actual calls, but we can either give out the 800 numbers we have now, or if you want something
the number.
catchy,
Right.
Yeah.
it doesn't really cost
So
anything.
why don't we look into it anyways? And Kathy, you have all the information you sent over to Mike so he can order the list?
Yes, uh-huh.
And Mike, have you approved the list?
I've approved the list. I also think we should have a list of people who the calls could transfer to, because Vince is not always going to be available.
Okay.
Right.
So there should be a team of 4 or 5 people who the calls could transfer to. Because I think you have one shot with a lot of these people, as we were talking the
Yes,
other day.
Yeah.
They have the piece of mail, they call back. If they don't get what they want on the first call, that piece of mail is gone. And even if they
Okay.
wanted to call back, they don't
Yeah.
have the information.
I
anymore.
agree, I agree.
Okay. So who's gonna take that on? Are you
I'll
gonna
take
take that on?
Yep.
Okay, and so we really need to learn how to track it, how to support it, and what to do.
Well, the website will help us a lot in just monitoring the success or failure rate of the mailers.
Do we own the software Web Trends? Because that really allows us to track
No.
number of contacts.
No, but it's like $199. It's pretty cheap. If you
Okay.
want
What is that?
to get it. What you can do is you can actually go after the logs that are on that Internet Information
Right.
Server has, and it'll tell you how long they spent on the homepage, how long they spent on each
I
page,
guess
how
Very-
deep
what
they
page?
went,
Yeah, that's
You find out where the
Right.
seepage is in the pipe,
Right.
so you find
what
out.
country they came from.
Yeah.
I
Can
mean,
you get the
any of
sites
that
they came
stuff.
from?
Sometimes you can.
Depending.
Because on our
But
website,
routers.
yeah, on our
Oh.
website, I was able to capture exactly where the leads are coming